William stands quietly by the ancient learning tree. High above, a single leaf glows with a chaotic rainbow, its colors shifting wildly from deep red to vibrant purple, then flickering between yellow and blue. Chewie tilts his head in utter confusion, while Bubbles clucks sharply as the leaf flashes a sudden neon pink.
William whispers, "This leaf's colors are all mixed up. Something strange is happening in the backyard today."
Suddenly, the WonderGate begins to creak, pulsing with a soft, rhythmic light. A new symbol carves itself into the old wood, a beautiful, spiraling rainbow swirl. Tiny glow sprites drift out, leaving shimmering trails of stardust in the air. Bubbles bravely pecks the new symbol, and with a loud whoosh, the gate swings wide open. The trio feels themselves shrinking as they step into a world where colors float like soft clouds and rivers of light flow nearby.
Before them stands a giant rainbow arch, but something is wrong. Several colors are missing.
The glow sprites hover anxiously, chiming for help. William sighs, the rainbow is broken. Chewie sniffs the air while Bubbles hops between the sprites. A stone tablet rises from the ground, displaying 3 symbols: primary, secondary, and rainbow order. William touches the red symbol, and a red stripe appears. Chewie nudges a yellow glow into place, and Bubbles pecks the blue spot. The foundation is set. The rainbow is still incomplete. 3 magical paint clouds appear before them. William carefully mixes red and yellow to create a bright orange. Next, he blends yellow and blue for a deep green, and finally red and blue for a royal purple. Chewie pushes the green stripe into the arch, and Bubbles adds the purple one. But wait, the colors are all scrambled. William realizes the truth. We need the full rainbow order. He rearranges them carefully. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and finally purple.
The arch erupts in a brilliant glow as the sprites celebrate. William smiles. Colors mix to make new colors, and rainbows always follow the same order. With a shimmering swirl, they return home. The leaf on the tree is now a perfect, steady rainbow. We fixed it,
William says happily. As the gate closes, his backpack begins to glow with a new rhythm spark symbol. Glow sprites, I think you want to dance next time. The adventure is just beginning.